Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you very important update about South Sudan. The political situation is becoming more tense. A peace talks are being planned in Nairobi. A major court case continues in Juba, and fighting has erupted again in Aanal state. These events are connected. They show that South Sudan is standing at a very dangerous moment. Will the country move toward peace or will it return to full conflict? Before we begin our report, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with Machar allies set condition for Nairobi talk. According to the information, South Sudan main opposition party known as SPLMIO has now given its official position ahead of planned peace talk in Nairobi, Kenya. These talks are expected to begin on February 9, 2026. However, there is still uncertainty about whether they will actually happen on time or not. The SPLMIO was founded by President Dr. Machar, but right now, Dr. Machar is under detention in Juba and is facing serious charges, including treason. Because of his detention, the party is currently being led by Oyet Nathaniel Perino in an acting position. Well, now here's the key issue. The SPLMIO say they will not join the Nairobi talk unless first by President Dr. Machar is released unconditionally. They made this very clear in their official document submitted to Kenyan mediators. According to party official, according to SPLMIO, there can be no real dialogue while the leader remains in detention. They argue that peace talk must begin with fairness and trust, and in their view, keeping Machar detained make meaningful dialogue impossible. This is a strong position. Well, why are these talks important? Let us remember what happened in 2018. In 2018, President Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Machar signed a peace agreement. That agreement ended 5 years of brutal civil war that started in 2013. In that war caused thousands of deaths, millions of displaced people, and severe economic collapse in South Sudan. The 2018 peace agreement was supposed to bring long-term peace and prepare the country for elections. But over time, problems start to appear again. Some part of the peace deal were not fully implemented. Security arrangements were delayed. Trust between leaders weakened. Recently, fighting has started again in some part of the country. This is why Kenya government is trying to bring leaders back to the table through what is called the Tumaini Initiative. So what is the Tumaini Initiative? Tumaini Initiative started in Nairobi in December 2023. The goal was to revive peace effort and include more political groups in the process. But the process faced problems. Last year, South Sudan government suspended its participation. They accused the process of giving legitimacy to rebellion and weakening the existing peace agreement. Talks were postponed multiple times by the South Sudan government. Now, mediators are trying again. They have created a framework for discussion. This framework includes plan for national consensus charter. The goal is to solve political deadlock and prepare the country for elections. But here is the problem. If major players like SPLIO refuse to attend, the talk may fail before they even began. So here is SPLMIO full demand. The SPLMIO is not only asking for Dr. Riek Machar release, they are also calling for an immediate ceasefire, respect for the 2018 peace agreement, release of other political detainees, and full implementation of the reply peace deal. According to them, the SPLIO, they say they remain committed to dialogue, but only under fair condition. This put mediator in a very difficult position. If first by President Dr. Machar is not released, the opposition may boycott the talk. If the talk fails, tension could increase. Now let us talk about civil society group. These are organizations representing ordinary citizens, not politicians, not soldiers. Civil society group have also submitted their position on the Nairobi talk. They say they support dialogue. They welcome the Kenyan initiative. The activists believe the talk must include all important leaders and be transparent, but they also raise concern. They say they need more time for consultation. They are not sure whether the proposed 4-week timeline is realistic. They also questioned the right to an election without first fixing security problem in South Sudan. This shows something very important. Even people who support peace are worried about how this process is being handled. Let's move on. Let's learn from court testimony against first by President Dr. Riek Machar in capital Juba. While political discussions are happening, the legal case against Dr. Riek Machar continues in Juba. This week, a foreign digital forensic expert presented a new evidence in court. The expert is from South Africa. He told the court that he examined mobile phone belonging to two co-accused individuals. From those phones, he extracted WhatsApp messages, audio recording, and video clip. Some of these messages allegedly show communication related to attack on government forces in Nasser. One message mentioned bike carrying government soldiers that were heading toward Nasser and Ulan counties. Another message discussed challenges with river movement. The prosecution claimed these communications show coordination before the March 2025 attack on the army garrison in Nasser. That attack was very serious. According to prosecutor, 257 government soldiers were killed, military equipment worth millions of dollars was destroyed or taken. Dr. Riek Machar and his co-accused deny wrongdoing. The trial is still ongoing. The judge has adjourned the session and it will continue on February 9. Well, this court case is directly connected to the political crisis in South Sudan. If Dr. Riek Machar is convicted, it could permanently remove him from political leadership. If he is released, he may return to negotiation, So the legal case and the peace talk are deeply linked. South Sudan is watching closely. Now let us move on to another breaking news. New fighting in Baliet in Aanal. Now we move to Aanal State. According to the report, early Saturday morning, fighting broke out in Baliet County. Report said opposition force launched an early morning attack around 5 a.m. The fighting lasted about 1.5 hours. Some social media accounts claim that SPLAIO or opposition force had captured the town, but later evidence showed that government force remained in control, according to Sudan Post. A video show soldiers celebrating in the town center after the attack was repelled. But many people are saying this is a whole video. Local officials confirmed that the attackers were pushed back on the video. However, civilians were affected. Some families fled to Malakal, which is about 47 kilometers away, to escape the fighting. Even short create fear. Even 1 hour of gunfire can cause displacement. Baliet is located near important river and road connection. It has a buffer zone protecting Malakal, the state capital. If Baliet fall, Malakal become more vulnerable. Recently, government troops were moved from Malakal to other areas like Nasser and Wulang. This may have created security gap. Some analysts believe opposition force tried to take advantage of this situation. This shows how fragile the security situation is. Even a small change in troop movement can open opportunities for attack. According to the report, what was reported by the Sudan Post. Gwazame Banaraj Kitchen Cornelat Caribbean. Report to Banling Gwazame Kitchen Corner Children Lat Banaraj Kataran and Chalare Wika South Sudan. Report number Nwakel Gwazame Bala report Warga Kamanana Shagor and 18 continent Kekume Dr. Yang Machar la first by president. They were Gamishikana Gorikana Kenyan mediator Kennedy Conti la Kenyan, Lanity Contin Latkijano Dekan, Kum South Sudan Roy Marka. A Kaja report me Banja Lincoln and report Kokina Bananyok, Jakare report me Banjo Juk, a Manako Danti talk, come, SPLIO, a can SSP the Abdor Shalka Balit Kapanal, Banamadan Toktan Banjo Linkel. Learning Gosme can Konya, please make sure she subscribe. A catching notification bell, she did one committee, which very was with your mala wiki, Capet, Banajo Banja Linkel. SPLIO report down Shannon Guasame. Chicken position dien, Guadan Shunkantin, Kakim Malcolm Walatka Nairobi, Kenya, Chicanalar. And Malamo, de jelat ke changa bangwan ka pairo ronkin dangro wiri dangro wiri bakel ke jelat ka jo chalat gwaseme bu ke jeno dong malamo ba dong chebuto ko neten kontin de mal ko lat ke kwidien e paade dunga spele mayo men de pin dakren machar moray ke tem anathnel woyet ka ngai kon yalla no dakren machar jen chaaje yere yuke juba te walok lokaje chumene tem kan lokai je ka kwi kur dana ci to ka Nasser ne ka jen pai rawo ka pai doko dan ka ron kin dangro jen dangro wide jech ku mes pelai wo ci kan position den ji kana lat ka war ga ma cha gor ci ku mes pelai wo ci kala wona ne ci kan be participate ke ci kan be jotare mal ka man lat ka ga Nairobi la Nairobi peace talk man ci alkati man peace initiative in bon da kan ma cha kala do ci ne be jotare lo kere mal kana mo man lat kane jene kan man chine bi joke je jene ne o da kama chati re ti jen kan ne katin kon ya yen kel ko kujamo no gori ne baga tire lok ronya da kama char kama jerar kan ne ke berar bi ben participate kamala dan lat kare ke South Sudan ko bi mal ben ne me man chalat a party official ke report an chikan lat chi lon da kama char karware kan lat ba ke je report me ne de konde la ne Dr. Machar kala de wone ne kana gor kana de kir mi yadi dar ceasefire dar jalat dar ko dar ya kapchong ke position ni nga spele mayo che gade kep a che civilian content tere which ka panal kana jongle che gade dak ka che dul ken che gade dak dar ko dar ya kapchong de na kulu we gwa malka man ya makan Dr. Machar alon ke je Dr. Machara be rare ti jen den bana we kamana non de kono lat alamal ya jo mo cha jela de ne tin kondi la officially ko kuma spela ay wo kene de content cha chol gwa mala na money ngai kon me chalat ka gwa sedan ke 2018 peace agreement mala cha tan gwa sedan shi Dr. Machar choro de committee no ba mal ba jen non ka chikir mi yadi choro de committee ba chikir mi yadi chere dial cha ko pel ka dar money kuma spela ay wo kene ne kene ngot ke committed ka jen 2018 peace agreement en roki dangrol badag male dan cha tantin jen amal keb nelia echi tuoke 2013 be ne ka 2018 mi chiti garun dang de keb ne chong man chal ka civil war kor kelu en ko dan echi tuoke ne dum wan cha nak yan wori cha targetin akuma kirmi yadit ci wacce ne yale ko ten ci ko pot ci we ko refugee camp million of people ka ko refugee camp tem ko ne dana ci tuo ci economy dum South Sudan ci yar jemlen yan tama paga jega ko dial ci ka yoniam ku ke jek ke jen ku ko mo ko ku mo 2018 peace agreement awa opportunity ko de South Sudan de lore malka dindo ci kim yadit ke de blogo no ko na mo ko jelat antama mi kurje ko to ka mes pile ayo kan SSPDF wacha gu jeno je tel alternative dadien chicken malu din kan nyoko me gor kan bikane chol ikaro ke je Kenya government cha ken vol eno kan bia mediator money and peace initiative mo che de gwa ke che de let mo kan kume SPL ayo mo kan kon martin so ko kiji mo chicken war ka chicken gwar kume SPL ayo warga ikana gor kan go gone ya gwa malka ci kuma SPLA yo ci kan warga ikana chuloch tan jogono mugori no bine wo gwa malka lo nya Dr. Machar lo nya first by president kam ci jen tel mi chal ka mal mo walat ka Nairobi kan ngai ke je gwa no ne makan Dr. Machar makana kon ke warga dan cha gor kan makana kon accept ano ba Dr. Machar ba je luñ tel mi chal mal mo balat kon mal kwa lan je akan bono to tinte Dr. Machar tetin ko Dr. Machar jen the main political party man dini jen so mje jojo gwan woni ne sikim yadit che mido den chela la der nyoda gwan wodi tele mu gwam de rod lar ke jen malamo so ko kujimo ci ne Dr. Machar ke kuma spelai wo ci ko rajen woni ne gor kano ban del bagal la dagwa kan di mane ko ne shalat kuma spelai wo akana gor kano woni ne ba kur ba je kapchong akir mi yadit jena nyamna mo rewde akana gor kan wona ne be kir mi yadit between 18 peace agreement ba je di los diode akana gor kan ba Dr. Machar ba je luñ kana all political detainees tin rew ke Juba ba kaluñ man jok akani ba peace agreement ba je dil tan agwa ki ba je lalet te diale ko ne chalat ba ga rel ka kan dial wone ka kuin kware akan mi chaka blat kene ti tel mi chal ka mal tel mal no biro da lare wi ka South Sudan so kuje mon ne re kondi la Kenyan mediator me kan kono calling chala do tel mi chal mal mo betu ka jen chang bang wan ke je laden be mi nyuri kan panjen a wak karodian tel ne to ko ken so Dr. Machar jaram nyam gor gano de deloin an mala me tegatin men civil society group ti respond no gor gano be na dilwa kenu kan support and mal dan latke reyu ke Nairobi ci ñoo shoot bon wona ne en malame article pair mi ñono gor kan obede Dr. Machar de je luñ ko de mal mo der kulo wonya mi cha da Machar cha luñ tel ko am mal bo we ke je ci na ñoo mi ñurna ka ku Dr. Machar leer jok Dr. Machar ka gwada danen cha ji luktin ka Juba ka changa bakel ka pairo ronkin dan ro jendang ro dich ran South Africa dan ci rach wun Michel ke Peter Calvin changede ki te chalat chakalat ina ka court nyamlo te ga jom chalat gwasme jene che telefoni te konte cha kame kuma kirmi yadit ka South Africa and take a data and recover WhatsApp messages, audio recording you the corner record ke video ne kare dialti jani che recover an ray lar kana me tira no te ne ti che lar no te tit ka tai dan ci kurce to gaje so mun yodo di che chuna chagalat kana to tikan ka long ka tai dan e ci kur jor lar ke je jani te ke ti chala no teacher support ngwaye dan ci kurce to tin gonya ne Dr. Machar and otikan ka tit ka kori dan ci tuok ka tai dan jel na kaje so mi kan lat gwasa mo ajen wo kan Dr. Machar te ga tit ka ci kan dan ko ken kan nyoko min yut kan ka duno chalar no cha queen cha lugu mo cha nyom yut ka jen yam ba jelat ka chanka bangwan ka pairo ron kin daro jendangro wi bakal bana full report bana jo jiktina na mo gwadan cha nyom mu kwa jere aleka evident ko ne che summit ke evident ngai ken wo de nongba ko ko lat ke ngai kon dial shekaka ke ko lat ke ngana rudin ga jejen ko lingano ku mespile ayo ken ne me political motivated kan shi court mugwa so cha jo mo cha jelat report ja gwasa me balajen kordan ci to ka panal karun wang bakka ka jo mo cha la wa ci kurce to kam SPLIO kan SSPD gwal mi cha la no shi SPLIO ci kan dar shal ka bali ci kana ma kel ke nor wa ya mi ke report da chanung ke report mi cha la gwasa me wa ka ta di ni bakka wa ci kur mo cho to ke report cha la ne tin wan cha la do ne ci de ne SPLIO kan nor wa ami shikan bali ci kana kaf ke report mi cha la ana me ka pos ke Sudan pos ke jo mu cikin ladgwasa me kan kalama dana chalat akume SPLIO wa baka wa tok kan ka kore e cha akume SPLIO cha je nyok mu yot ke jejo te ke video mu cha share online right the NSS PDF tin lat kan no kan area mo kana kep duno cha jigo no en video mo awaje ne whole video ke video mu ci jen ana ka jo dana chalat je gwat me not yet kan kume SPLIO tel statement mu ci kan release jet ke spokesperson ko kume SPLIO tel mi chan la daken man yam ya ngajene bali don togo kurtin ke kurti toktin ajen gang malakalo mi je jojo gwano cha bali cha de keben teme we ne kan nak diar kume SPLIO dere nyu do gwano de malakal dere pen tet ka kume SPLIO so na me ajiri podan le rode kume SPLIO wa ku ka advance we ka balit we ka nak diar ke we ka malakal ne me ajiri podan chenung ke chajek ka chenung ya mi diram jidit gwaz me ko nyane ko ken man yo jekari pore dim biatemal bye bye